The question is, SEGB files are saved in multiple locations, right, based on the activity type. That's correct. How do I collate multiple SEGB together so I can show the whole activity on the device? That's a great question. Most forensics tools will split them into categories, which is correct. Battery level, app and focus. But for core purposes, it's usually better to provide a small series of interactions during a specific time rather than or two. Absolutely great point. I understand why tools separate them in categories, because I do it too, because it's easier to digest, right? If you have all of them mixed together and that's the only way you look at them, if you're looking, I want to look when the phone was locked and unlocked, trying to just segregate those from a collection of activities, it's going to be hard. Now, the case used here for purposes for court is important. So make sure that your tools have timeline capabilities. Belkasoft has it, and other tools has it. And what you do is, if the tool allows it, say, okay, I want to create a timeline only using SEGB biome files. And you create a timeline just for those purposes. What we do is, I put them all these records and fields in a SQLite database that I call timeline. And then you can go there and you can make a query saying, okay, I want to see my database only show me the SEGB artifacts, and within this time frame. And it gives you, you run that query and you get your response, and then you can take that and export it and make a timeline, put it in Excel, do whatever you want with it, right? That's how I do it. I use SQLite. I'm going to hold that data there, and then you as the examiner can make a query to limit that and get a response. Hopefully that makes sense. But like Belkasoft a timeline feature, other tools have timeline features. You have to use that feature for that purposes.